Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video of SolidWorks animation. You are listening to Usman Chaudhary, and today in this video we are going to make some path mates. Basically, I have received these files from one of my YouTube follower, and he want to make this ball to follow this path. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, we have to check whether our assembly is okay. Is it fixed or not, or fully defined or not? So as you can see, by dragging with mouse, it moves. So for that, we have to make some mates. So let's start. First of all, press and hold Control key from your keyboard and then select this line and this cylindrical face. Make their concentric mate. So this was the first mate, and as far as the second mate is concerned, select this point, not this curve, only this point, and then this cylindrical face and make their concentric mate. So now right click on the table and then make it fixed. Now what we have to do, we have to make a point or a reference point for the path mate inside the ball. So click on the ball and then open it. So here is the ball, and you have to select front plane and then select sketch. Drop a point on the origin. Press OK button and then save and exit from sketch mode by pressing this button. Now close this window, press yes to save changes. So now simply go to assembly, then select mate, scroll down, advanced mates, and in advanced mates select path mate. So first of all, as a component vortex, select this point, and then for path selection, select selection manager. Now select this line, this curve, and this curve, also this line. Now press OK button. So now we can verify whether our path mate is working or not. So click on the ball and drag it. So here you can see our path mate is working. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and sparing time.